Handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my niggas equally. Thinking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar deep. The superstar star, now I got him far.
Baby, what you want tonight? What you got to try? Baby, what you want tonight? What you...
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. And if you are an OG subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? What's up? You know that we give hugs around here, and if you don't know that's already, now you know, girl. So just come on and join the fam. Come on and give me a hug and introduce yourself. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know that you're new here. Let me know that you're here today. So come on, bring it on in. Give me a hug, give me a hug. In case you don't know, we give hugs around here, okay? So today I am showing you guys how I made this unit glueless, okay? And I know you've seen so many tutorials that said glueless this, glueless that, glueless, but then using their handy dandy freeze spray, right? Not today, baby. We're not doing that. This is literally completely glueless. You literally can put on every single day and take off every single night and don't have to worry about spraying things and laying things. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do this glueless unit on your head with any type of wig. So if you want to check out how to make your units glueless, baby, glueless, but they charge you $1,000 to teach you, honey, then go ahead and continue watching. Woo. Okay guys, I have just 2 old braids in my head. I'm just going to gel my edges back out the way and throw a brown nude cap onto my head. I'm not going to mold it or gel it down or anything like that. I'm just going to keep it just like that. This is going to be completely glueless. Once I do that, I'm just showing you guys how the lace look. It has no tint or anything like that, and then the wig has 2 combs on the side. Now, in order to measure the elastic band, which is going to make it glueless, you are going to measure from ear to ear. Now, not directly over the ear, of course. As you can see right there, it's above the ear, but it's kind of, it almost lines up with your eyebrows, but it's going to be like ½ an inch above your eyebrows on both sides. That's how you're going to sew it down on the wig, whatever wig you have. Once I got those measurements, I'm going to take away 1 inch off that measurement, off the elastic band, and that is going to allow your wig to have some grip to it, and that is going to allow your wig to lie flat by taking that 1 inch off. And those are the 2 bands I'm going to sew on. Now, if you didn't have bands or anything like that to kind of go as a guide, you're just going to sew in that spot on your regular frontal. And here is how it looks after you sew it down. Alright, so I'm going to pop that bad boy back onto my head, and as you can see, the lace is not going to match. I didn't put any color, or I didn't tint the lace at all. I did bleach knots and everything like that, but I did not tint the lace to match my skin color. What I'm going to use is, I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Cream Contour Palette. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that palette. It's a great palette. It has a lot of different color choices, especially if you get the one with a lot of different color choices. And I'm going to mix 2 colors that are, one is too light and one is too dark for me, and I'm going to mix it on the back of my hands and tint the lace like that. Of course, always cut the ear tabs off to fit your head shape and size. When it comes to the Ruby Kisses, I'm going to mix it in the back of my hand, 2 colors, and I'm going to apply that with just a brush in the inside of my wig to get that lace to match more accurately to my skin. Then I'm going to use the freeze spray just to lock in that makeup on the back and the inside of the lace, so that way the makeup isn't like spreading everywhere. And then you're just going to cut off that lace in the back where the back comb is. Alright, now I'm popping that bad boy right back on again, and now you can see the difference with the lace color. It blends in a lot more. Just look at where the hairline is. You see that it definitely blends in a lot more than it did originally. So that's going to give you a more flawless result with blending the lace in. And now I'm just plucking the hairline a little bit, just pulling the baby hairs out. And the baby hairs are optional as well. You don't have to have them. But yes, I'm just thinning the hairline a little bit more in the front just to give me a more natural look. And then now I'm going to cut off the lace in the front. And I'm just going to use some scissors, if you want to be honest. Some scissors that I just seen laying around in front of me. I think they're like kitchen scissors. But anyways, I'm not going to cut straight across, but I'm going to cut in a little zigzag motion just to make sure that it's not, you know, straight across and look very, very wiggy. So yeah, that's going to help with that look. Down, I'm going to get an elastic band and tie it down, really tie it around my edges just to mold that and let it dry. Now I'm going to wet the rest of the hair with water, and I'm going to put a little bit of like curling cream on it just to make sure that it gets defined. Okay, so now that's how it looks after I take the elastic band off. After 20 minutes, the edges are kind of dried a little bit into the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my face powder and put it on the lace just to give it more of a seamless blend. The wig did slide back a little bit with the elastic band. That was my fault, pulling on the hair or whatnot. And yes, so I'm using the powder to, again, just to make the lace blend a little bit more better. And then I'm going to comb out the baby hairs and show you guys it can be removed and put back Okay, so finally to test the theory to see if it's completely removable and see that if you can really apply it daily. So my face is done. I'm going to put the cap over again. I'm going to throw the wig on and see how it turns out and see if it's really as quick and easy and glueless as I claim it to be. All right, so right here, you're just going to flip the lace back over where it's supposed to be and adjust it a little bit. So for the ear tabs, if you're feeling insecure about the ear tabs, you can do something about the ear tabs. You can like do a little spray if you want, but I really didn't care because I'm not lifting it up or anything like that. So that's how it looks, just taking it off and putting it back on. And I think it turned out really cute. There you go. Yes, mamacita. So yes, here I am using the kitchen scissors again to put layers in my hair, just to give it some more body. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys. Love you so much. Mwah.